Hey guys, today is not about honing a razor, but more the step just before when I get a razor. So I got this razor a few weeks ago and I really like the shape of it. Now, as you can see, it's a vintage razor and yeah, it's rusty. I've seen worse, but it's still quite rusty. We'll see it better now. You see, you have few patches of rust. Now, two funky things with this razor. The first thing is there is no brand. There is no writing whatsoever on this razor. So you have no clue what kind of razor it is, where it's been made, and if it's good quality or not. Although it's very rare to have bad quality in vintage razors. The other funky thing is, as you can see, the scales are two different colors. One side is kind of brown and the other one is black. They are, I believe, made of horn, but I'm not sure. Now, the first thing I do when I have such razor is to use a rotary tool with abrasive sponges. And here is the result, to remove the rust patches. So you see, it's not too bad. All the rust is gone. It's not shiny at this stage, but there's no more rust. I think this is a fake frame back style, so it's quite nice. Next step was to use polishing pastes. So I used the Dialux polishing paste, 4 different ones, and now we have quite a nice finish. We are at a very close to be a mirror finish. So quite happy with the result so far. It's looking good. And finally, the last step was to use the a polishing paste for the scales, special for scales, and the Puma paste for the final touch on the blade. And as you can see now, we have a perfect mirror finish. So I'm delighted with the finish we have now. Very nice one. Love the shape. I believe it's 5/8 or maybe a 6/8 actually razor. I'm really looking forward to hone this one and see how good, hopefully, it is. So that will be a next video coming in a few weeks time. And yeah, looking good. Oh, there's a little stain here from the Puma paste, so just take a little paper to remove that. No, I'm not picky, but yeah, I am. So here it is. All right, looking better. But yeah, delighted with the result. Really looking good. It feels like good quality also. It feels like properly made. I don't know if you will see it here, but I really like the design also within the scale. There is some nice shape if you're looking close to the scales. It's a really nice razor. You can see now how it looked when I got it, and finally how it is now. All right, talk to you soon, guys. See ya.